Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Vivan, which is a joint venture by Amal Group, Nipra Infra and Saira the developers located in Goregaon West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project at the exact land parcel where you can see all the towers and the construction is in full swing. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre. As you can see in the model, it will have 4 wings that will have 2 basement plus ground plus 1 podium plus 20 residential floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and Jodi residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Ram Mandir railway station, Goregaon West, from where Ram Mandir railway station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, D-Mart is only at a distance of 2 minutes, SV Road is only at a distance of 3 minutes, and you have Western Express Highway only at a distance of 3 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has gym, banquet hall, co-working space, library, basketball court, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, 1 BHK in the carpet area of 361 to 419 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 598 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. Now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.